friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Angelique. Welcome. Today's tutorial is on this very weird but beautiful rainbowy butterfly look. It kind of turned into this without really meaning to. That's not what I went into this expecting to do. I did have a couple of inspiration pictures. When I posted my last progress video, somebody commented with this gif from the Trolls movie, and it was so beautiful. It had like this double rainbow with the little clouds at the bottom and the hearts, and I just thought it was so adorable, and so I wanted to kind of do my own spin on it. And I was also inspired by this look by my friend, by Sandy Morales, and I love how she did like those little circle things, so I kind of used that as inspiration for my rainbow. I have her YouTube channel linked in my description box, so I hope you'll go follow her. And I guess go watch the Troll movie, since it was, you know, I was inspired by that. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and please don't forget to follow me on all other social medias. It will all be linked in the description box. And I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna do colorful brows today because I'm so excited that I got in this ColourPop, like the colored mascaras, and I cannot wait to use these. So what I'm gonna do today is, I think I'm just gonna lay down a yellow base for my brows, and then I'll use the colored mascaras to color the actual hairs on my brows so that it stands out better. I think it'll stand out better against a yellow background. And so I'm going to be using this Suva Beauty Hydraliner in the shade Dance Party. I've already mapped out where I want my brows to go, or like the outline of them, so I'm pretty much just going to use a Sigma E65 brush to fill that in. So I'm going to start off in the mascara in the shade Pink Ink. I'm going to focus that on the beginning of my brow, and I'm going to run the brush through the hairs backwards so that it picks the color up and also volumizes the hairs, and then I'll brush them back into place. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Kiss and Teal. I'm going to focus that on the outer part of my brow just because I need to know like where this is going to end. I need to space everything out evenly, and this will be the last color that I go in with. So next I'm going to go in with a Left on Red. I'm going to place that next to the pink. Next I'm going to go in with Blue Ya Mind. Next I'm going to go in with Purple Prose, and I'm just going to put that between the blue and the red, and maybe even over the red a little bit, just to give it a little more color right there. It looks kind of splotchy. I didn't do a very good job, but it's all good because I actually kind of like the effect it's given. It just kind of looks almost like, you know, paint splatters. But let me just tell you, this is definitely gonna set your brows in place where they're not gonna go anywhere, because I can feel them, you know, already kind of getting stiff. I'm going to take the P. Louise base in shade 0.5 to clean up my brows and prime my eyes. And I see you all coming for me in my comments about my bad wig wearing skills, so that's why I've been wearing these little headbands, so that you guys can't see the entire video like how terrible I really am at it. I always say that, like, you know how James Charles is known for like Flashback Mary? I'm going to be known for my bad wig wearing skills. So today I'm going to start off with this Bretman X ColourPop Wet Set Collection, and I'm going to grab this shade called I'm Chillin'. I'm just going to start packing that color on to my crease area, and then I'm going to softly blend it above the crease a little bit. Next, I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to grab this black shade right here. I just want a little bit of it because I just want to put that right where I'm going, right where I'm going to cut the crease, so it just deepens that up a little bit. And I'm just going in with a little bit of that at a time because it's very pigmented and I don't want it to be super harsh. I want it to be very blended. Go ahead and run that scrunchy shade through my brows a little bit and just make some hair-like strokes. the more I almost think that they look like butterfly wings. So I think I might just do a little something extra, of course, because like I wouldn't be myself if I wasn't extra. So I think I'm going to take some nail jewels and I'm going to pick a yellow shade, and I'm just going to glue that right in the center between the two hearts. And I'm just using lash glue to do this. And then I'm going to go into Dance Party, which is the yellow Hydraliner, and I'm going to use that to make the little antennas. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull these shadow shields off. Okay, my camera shut off and I don't know what it got and what it didn't. So for my lower lash line, what I did was I went back in with this green shade, and then I went in with this green shade on a flat definer right up against my lash line, and then I blended them both out with this yellow. And then I put this black ColourPop mascara on my top lashes. While I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry down a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil in the shade Wicked for my top waterline. Now I'm going to go in with Lilly lashes in the style Miami. Okay, you guys, that concludes my tutorial on this look right here, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it, like always. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you watch this video. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.